morning, guys. Guess what? You want to cook with me? Alright, but don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's go. Hey guys, look what I have here. Alright? You know what I'm gonna do today? Yep, alright. We're gonna do barbecue. Yes, a barbecue, guys. It's hot out. Alright, it's time for barbecue. Alright, we're gonna do shish kebab. Alright, very good. Don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's go. That's what I need to prepare this dish. Alright, so I'm gonna go over with you guys what I have here. Alright, so let's go. Okay, here I have 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. You guys can use any hot sauce you want. Alright, so I have my own here. I love it and I use that one. So I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, you guys don't have to use, okay? And I have here 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, I have here a half cup of steak sauce. Alright, to bring that flavor, guys. Alright, here I have 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. Alright guys, let's go. I have here 16 ounces of mushrooms. Alright guys, I have here 2 tablespoons of onions. I have 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Also it's onion powder, alright? And I have here 1 package of chicken bouillon, okay? And I have here 1 teaspoon of oregano. And I have here, I have a lot of stuff here guys, but the flavor and the color will come together, alright? So I have here a half bunch of cilantro. I have here half bunch of parsley. I have here half cup of olive oil. I have here half cup of soy sauce. Right? I have here a half cup of red wine to give that flavor, guys. Alright, I have here 1 big green pepper, right? I have here 1 big yellow pepper, alright? And I have here the red one, red pepper, alright? Big one, everything's big, alright? So you see the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, here I have 5 pounds of meat. You guys can use any meat you want, alright? So I have here 2 big Vidalia onions. Alright guys, to bring that flavor. Alright, let's start here. Alright guys, let's start. Alright. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with the meat. Alright. I'm gonna put it here. Alright. Very good. Okay guys, you have to put your hands there, right? You have to put your hands, guys. Alright, so let's start this. I'm gonna start this with the teriyaki sauce. Actually, let me put here to mix it up here. It's better. Alright. And this is the steak sauce. Looking good, guys. Alright, very good. So this is the black pepper. Right, this is the salt. This is my hot sauce. If you guys doesn't like hot sauce, don't use. I love it in my family too. Alright, so now I have here the parsley. I have here the cilantro. I have here the olive oil. Very good. I have here the soy sauce. It's looking good. Red wine. Very good. Onions, alright, onion powder. My garlic powder. Very good. Here, my chicken board. All right, you guys doesn't have to use chicken if you don't want. You can use the meat. All right, the meat board. All right, very good. What I have here, my olive. All right, the color, guys. Color comes together. All right. So mix it up. Smells so good. It's gonna be a very good shish kebab. All right. So now we're gonna start to do the shish kebab. All right. So you need this. So first I'm gonna put one piece of meat. All right. It looks good. So one piece, yellow, one red, and one green. So the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right. So after that, I'm gonna put another piece of meat. All right. So my mushrooms. You squeeze a little bit. Okay. Mushrooms, and you can put another mushrooms too. You guys can do whatever you want. You don't have to repeat the way I'm doing. This is my Vidalia onions. Here. Vidalia onions. Alright. Very good. Put more here. Yellow. You want green? All right, looking good, guys. Looking good. Meat. All right, this is ready. Okay, I'm gonna make a room here so I can put them in. Very good. See, guys, that's exactly how you guys have to do it. Okay, color and the flavor comes together. All right, so here you go. So looking good. It's looking good, guys. So now we're going to marinate this for at least 1 hour. Alright, guys, so the flavor penetrate very well. Alright. Very good. Make sure you get everything everywhere. Right. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. The colors and the flavor comes together. All right. So there you go. So now I'm gonna marinate this for 1 hour. All right. So I'll be right back. Hey guys. All right. Time to check. Right. It's been 1 hour marinated. Right. Marinate for 1 hour. It looks good. I put this in two trays because I'm gonna cook only this. Okay, it's 5 of them. All right. So this one I'm gonna cook tomorrow. That's right. Tomorrow it's gonna be my lunch. All right. This is for tomorrow. But the leftover of the sauce I'm gonna save because I'm gonna put here. All right. So let's cook with me. All right, guys, let's barbecue. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, follow me. All right, guys, that's looking good. Looking good, guys. All right, my barbecue is ready. All right, so let's cook this baby. All right, okay, guys, that's looking good. Marinate for 1 hour. Whoa, smell good. Pretty good. All right. Smell good, guys. All right. Very good. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, time to check. Alright? Alright, looking good. Looking good guys. Don't forget to paste. Alright? Paste. Looking good. And it smells so good guys. Wow, I can't wait to eat that. Can't wait to eat this, alright? Can't wait. Alright. Looking good. Don't forget to paste the other side too. Alright? Let it cook a little bit. After that I'm gonna flip and paste again. Alright? See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, time to check. Alright? Whoa, that looks good guys. That looks very good. Alright. Looking good. Oh yes, look at that. It smells so good. Smells so good guys. Alright. Very good. Alright. Looking good. You paste a little bit more guys. Bring that flavor. Alright, very good. Don't forget, always has to paste, alright? Until it's done. Alright, looking good. Very good. Alright. Today guys, is a perfect day for barbecue, alright? It's hot out, sunny, and it's looking good, alright? Alright guys. It's almost ready. I'm gonna leave here for 2 more minutes and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys! Alright, very good. Right. Okay guys, it's butter. It's ready. Looking good guys. You guys can take a look. Right? The best. Right? The best shish kebab. This is a little rice. Right? I did some rice. So it's time to try this, okay? So let's try guys. Alright. You guys see that? Okay. So wait. Looking good guys. Looking good. Alright. Let's try. Let you know. Pretty good looking guys. Delicious. Alright, so I'll let you know. Guys. This is delicious guys. Listen, my mouth is melting. It's delicious. Alright. Piece here. This is delicious guys. Alright. The rice. Guys, this is unbelievable. Delicious. Everything is perfect. Alright guys. Hey guys. You guys have a good week, alright? Love you all.